Understanding Indian Space Program. Here is a comprehensive educational article about the Indian Space Program, divided into 30 clear paragraphs. The Indian Space Program has been making rapid strides in recent years, with numerous successful launches and ambitious projects underway. India's space program has come a long way since its inception in 1969, and it continues to make significant contributions to the field of space exploration. The Indian Space Research Organisation, ISRO, was established on August 15, 1969, as a response to the Soviet Union's proposal for international cooperation in space exploration. The organization's first chairman was Satish Dhawan, who played a key role in shaping India's space program. National Committee for Space Research. The National Committee for Space Research, NCSC, was set up in 1961 to oversee and coordinate India's space research activities. The NCSC played a crucial role in laying the foundation for ISRO's future endeavors. On August 26, 1975, Aryabhata, India's first satellite, was launched into orbit by an SLV-3 rocket. Aryabhata weighed around 360 kilograms and carried out experiments on radiation detection. Development of spacecraft technology. The success of Aryabhata led to the development of advanced spacecraft technologies in India. The ISRO developed a range of satellites for various applications, including communication, weather forecasting, and remote sensing. India's first remote sensing satellite, Bhaskara-1, was launched on June 7, 1979. Bhaskara-2 followed in 1981, and these satellites helped India acquire valuable data on its natural resources and environment. The Indian space program has also made significant contributions to the field of communication. Satellites. INSAT-1B, launched in 1983, was one of India's first operational communication satellites. Weather forecasting satellites. India's meteorological satellite series, IRSP-4, Kalpana, was launched on September 12, 2006. Kalpana provided high-resolution images and data for weather forecasting purposes. Robotic exploration of space. The Indian space program has also explored robotic space missions, including the Chandrayaan-1 lunar mission and Mangalyaan Mars orbiter mission. Launched on October 22, 2008, Chandrayaan-1 was India's first lunar mission. The spacecraft carried out extensive research on the Moon's surface and atmosphere. The Mangalyaan Mars orbiter mission was launched on November 5, 2013. This ambitious project demonstrated India's capability to design, develop, and launch a Mars orbiter in just 2 years. The Geosynchronous Satellite Launch Vehicle Mark III, GSLV-Mk3, is an advanced launch vehicle developed by ISRO for heavy lift missions. The GSLV-Mk3 successfully launched the GSAT-29 communication satellite on November 14, 2018. Launched on February 6, 2019, GSAT-31 was India's latest high-throughput communication satellite. The satellite provides extended coverage and services to Indian users across Europe, Asia, and Africa. The Aditya L1 mission is a solar observation spacecraft that will study the Sun's corona and its effects on the solar system. Launched in 2022, the Aditya L1 spacecraft aims to provide valuable insights into our closest star. Some of ISRO's current projects include Chandrayaan-3, lunar mission, Gaganyaan, human spaceflight, and India's first-ever human-rated launch vehicle, GSLV-MK3. Launched on July 22, 2019, Chandrayaan-2 was India's second lunar mission. The mission included an orbiter, lander, and rover to study the Moon's geology and composition. The Gaganyaan mission is a human spaceflight program aimed at sending Indian astronauts to space by 2023. ISRO is currently working on the development of a crew capsule and other necessary systems for the mission. ISRO has also announced plans to launch India's first-ever space tourism facility, with private companies providing space travel experiences for tourists. The Indian space program has been engaging in international cooperation with countries such as Russia, France, Japan, and South Korea. ISRO has signed MOUs for collaborative research, technology transfer, and joint missions. India's first reusable launch vehicle. ISRO is currently developing a reusable launch vehicle, RLV, that will enable multiple launches of satellites at significantly reduced costs. The RLV will also facilitate the development of more advanced propulsion systems. In 2020, ISRO allowed private companies to participate in space research and development activities under the Department of Space's new policy, Space Technology Enablement Policy. The future of Indian space program. The Indian space program is poised for significant growth and expansion in the coming years. With a range of ambitious projects and international collaborations underway, India is likely to become one of the leading spacefaring nations in the world. In conclusion, the Indian space program has come a long way since its inception in 1969. With numerous successes in satellite development, launch vehicles, and space exploration. As ISRO continues to push the boundaries of space research, India is set to play an increasingly significant role in global space cooperation and advancement. Thanks for watching.